Hello guys, ¿qué pasa? This is Mislav Juric and I used the ¿qué pasa again. I'm not sure why I used it. But anyway, in this tutorial we are going to talk about a option for commands which I found particularly useful, which is called the help option. And it is written as --help, or abbreviated you can write it -h, but I usually write --help because then I really know, okay, this stands for help. So let's say that I didn't know how to use the cd or the change directory command. What I could do is I could Google the cd command and look up for what it is used. I can type in man cd and then I can get no manual entry for cd, and I just happen to pick a command which doesn't have the manual entry, but usually commands have the man pages. However, my point wasn't to show you that cd doesn't have manual pages. My point was to actually show you another way for you to see a usage of a command if you don't want to use Google or you don't want to use the man pages. And if you want to do that, you can type in the name of the command as one of the options, you can use help, again, 2 dashes and help, or you can just type in 1 dash and h, or I basically use --help because, as we can see in this case, it also doesn't work. So if you use help, you can actually see the help options displayed for the cd command. Okay, so cd command is particularly interesting because it doesn't have the man pages. The regular -h doesn't work, but if you type in --help, it works. Okay, so I really picked probably the worst command to explain this concept on. However, I wanted to tell you that you can use the man pages, or you can type in the name of the command, space, and then --help, and you will get a description of what the command is supposed to do and how do you use it. Okay, so this is pretty much it. I hope you learned something useful in this tutorial, and talk soon.